Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to create front post and back post double crochets. So to start with, I'm just creating a rough chain, probably 10, and then I'll go ahead create 3 more chains for the turn, and then I'll be doing double crochet on the 4th chain from the hook, and I'll keep doing double crochet till the beginning of the chain. So this is just to create a base row, and then we'll be working on front post and back post double crochets. So going forward, and I'm planning to show you more projects that involves front post and back post double crochets. This video is just to give you an idea on what it is, on how we'll be working on it. So do a chain 3 and turn your work. So for this is our front post. I am inserting my hook from front to back. We'll only work on the post, meaning we'll not work on the top of the stitches, but we'll be working on the post. For back post, we take the post, that is the stem, towards the back of the hook. For front post, our hook goes back and the post comes in the front. For back post, yarn over, our hook comes in the front and the post goes to the back. This is similar as double crochet, but the difference is how we take the post towards front or back. So this is how it is worked. Yarn over, take the post to the front and your hook to the back, do a regular double crochet, then yarn over, take the post to the back and your hook to the front and work a regular double crochet. So first front post means the post comes in the front, and for back post means the post goes towards the back. So now we have finished our first row of front post and back post double crochet. You can see that it creates a ribbing effect. So we'll be doing this mostly when we are working on our hats to create the base band, as it will be a little bit stretchable. Please try this at home and let me know your comments, and do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thank you.